Missey Grace. So I guess everyone is doing the New Year resolution, right? Let me tell you mine. This year, I'd like to spend as much time as I can to help as many people as I can to eat healthy, plant-based food. Now, what is yours? Is it that you want to eat healthy? Is it that you want to incorporate more vegetarian food in your diet? Is it that you want to find a way to cook yummy food quickly and easily? Is it that you want to reduce the global footprint? Well, the most common that I hear about the New Year resolution is to reduce your global footprint and making an impact on the climate change. This is really a big concern that we have these days, isn't it? And also can buy locally and eat more healthy or eat more fresh fruit and veggies. Well, I can help. I'm planning to do a 45-minute online class that I'm going to share my 3 simple secrets that busy women can use to improve their lifestyle through plant-based food. Now, if that's what you wanted to do, I can help. But first, I'd like to know, what is your desire? What is the thing that you really wanted to achieve this year? So I would know how to develop something that you to get that result. So give me a comment below and say yes, you're interested, and tell me what is your biggest problem at the moment, and let's work on it. Soon as you let me know, soon as my online class is ready, I'm going to let you know straight away so you can come on board and learn all of the secrets that I'm going to share that you can apply straight away, and you will be able to see the results. How's that? Or you want to involve your children to cook yummy food with you and share the enjoyment of the fresh fruit and veggie in your diet. I can help you. So until then, be well, be happy.